What's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 websites that you can go to right now to start making an online income. 2 of these websites will allow you to do this from anywhere in the world. One is entirely US based. However, this is going to be an awesome strategy for you to start making money online from anywhere in the world. And with that being said, before we dive into this, I want to make sure if you like making money online or are interested in starting your own home-based business, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so that you can be notified whenever I come out with new content on this exact topic. With that being said, let's dive right in and I'm going to show you how it's done. Okay, so here we are on the computer now, and the first site that I want to show you is appen.com. That's APPEN.com. And what you're going to be basically doing here is you're going to be a search engine evaluator. Now what that means is you're going to be given very specific tasks for things that you're going to have to search, and you're going to have to provide certain information and ratings for what you find. So what you're looking at here is when you go to find flexible jobs, you're going to go, it'll take you here, and you're going to go ahead and click raters. There are different types of raters, and what we're talking about here in this video is a search engine rater. So what you see here, when you click that, you can see current app and assignments. You have search media evaluation, which is work with the world's top search engine companies, and you have social media evaluation. We have help improve social media around the globe. So these are a couple of things that you could do. There's also things like translation, transcription, and so on. However, these are the top 2 that we're looking at. Now, one thing that's important to know is you do have to have some basic knowledge about search engines in order to do this. And if you know absolutely nothing about Google or Yahoo or Bing or anything like that, all you have to do is just look up videos on YouTube to learn more about how they work. In fact, I would probably just type in a search in YouTube for how does Google work, and that will give you a better idea of how it all works, so that when you are assigned a task and when you do have something that you need to be doing, you have a better grasp of what Appen is looking for and what you'll be able to do for them to provide them with good quality work. Now, one of the things that I also want to mention here is you may be limited to the number of hours that you'll be able to work. So you might not get 40 hours. In fact, I think they cap it at about 20 hours a week. However, usually you'll be able to make like your own hours in doing this. And Appen, I think for the most part, is going to be US and maybe even UK based. However, if you are in other countries around the world, another website to go to is Rater Labs. Now this is also owned by Appen, and this is where you want to go if you live in other countries, which you can see. You can choose Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, all kinds of countries all around the world. They're looking for people. Japan, Kazakhstan, anything you can imagine, it's pretty much in here for the most part. And again, you have search media evaluation, which is what we were talking about earlier, and then we have social media evaluation. So you're going to be given specific tasks to do from around the world. And the great thing about this is people are making sometimes as much as up to $15 an hour when they do it. And it's not necessarily a huge amount of money, and at the end of this video I'm going to make a recommendation for how you could make a lot of money online, but it is something that you can do if you're between jobs and you're not necessarily looking at becoming an online entrepreneur or something like that, and you just want to make a little bit of extra money until you get something else going. It might even be a good opportunity if you have a business you're starting up and you'd like to get some kind of income going while you're making motion in that business. Now the last site that I want to show you here This is Lion Bridge, and Lion Bridge is another one that you can do from around the world. And what we're going to do is we want to click Learn More under Testers, Raters, and Curators. So that'll take you to this page that you see here, Current Opportunities, and you can see there are different places around the world that you can choose from. So you have Canada and United States, you have Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Mexico. There are a few places in Africa, as well as several in Europe, and several in Asia as well, and then even in Australia and New Zealand. So after you've selected your location, I went ahead and selected US already. You can see here they have it called a rater, and it says we are looking for dynamic and creative people who have strong communication skills and use the internet daily. This could very much be you. And then, they also have it for Spanish, and they have all kinds of different things here. Ads Assessor, United States. By reviewing the content of internet search results, you will play a part in improving the quality of one of the largest search engines in the world. And you can see there are different tasks and jobs that are available to people throughout the US as well as around the world. So with that being said, I highly recommend you do this if it's something that you're interested in doing as like a job, something part-time, or even to make a little extra money on the side of what you're already doing. And one other thing that I want to go into before we end off here. So as a lot of you guys know already, one of the main ways that I personally make money online is through a YouTube advertising agency. And what that means is people will pay me every month thousands of dollars to manage their YouTube ads for them. And believe it or not, creating a YouTube advertising campaign is extremely easy. It's just most people don't know how to do it. So one of the bonuses to this video is I'm going to include a cheat sheet in the description below that shows you step by step how you can create your own YouTube advertising campaign where you can help businesses for pennies. They'll literally be paying pennies to get seen across the country, and you'll be making thousands of dollars by doing this. With that being said, if you enjoyed this video, if you got some kind of value out of it, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and also make sure to hit the little bell so that you can be notified about future videos that I have coming out. And I'll see you in the next video.